Hi friends, welcome to Dilshi Academy. Today we are going to learn the. It's used to refer a person, place or thing that is unique. The sun is up. That's the way. Keep the change. Open the bottle. The boy is kind. The room is hot. The bill please. The book is easy. The sky is blue. Turn off the gas. We lost the game. The car is ready. He threw the ball. I played the piano. He turned the key. I won the lottery. Tell me the truth. The doorbell rang. The pain has gone. Turn on the radio. Come into the room. He closed the door. He kicked the ball. The area was quiet. The baby is crying. The earth is round. The ice has melted. The tree fell down. Turn the volume up. He wrote the report. The train just left. We obeyed the rules. I reject the offer. Please shut the door. The woman is reading. That's all for today. Still you didn't subscribe me? Please subscribe me and click the bell icon. Stay with me more grammar lessons and spoken English lessons with my Dilshi Academy. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.